Abang datang dengan apa?
YB? Okay. 1, 2.
So, now and later after breakfast, we're going to climb Mount Kinabalu. But it's my first time. Yeah, I wish me luck. So that I can finish fast. It's because Uncle Saleh said if I can go, if I can reach the top of Mount Kinabalu, he will give me a present.
I don't have anything to say.
Ambil dulu.
Thank you.
My wife will decide.
You are ready.
I'm good.
Dadah, thank you. Jangan nakal lah.
Jangan nakal.
So hari ni saya pegang phone Dato' Am, paling mahal sekali. Tapi di belakang saya ada pemandangan Gunung Kinabalu yang begitu indah, cantik, menawan. Dan kita dalam misi untuk menawan Gunung Kinabalu bersama. It will not be easy, but when it's not easy, the challenging makes it worth it. InsyaAllah doakan kita semua sampai ke puncak dengan selamat.
Doakan Mak. Mungkin ini bukan pertemuan yang terakhir Mak. Bye. Okay.
1, 2.
Ada foto sini ya. Tapi
Kita punya mountain guide. Aiden. Mountain guide kita. Steady ya.
Menarilah dan terus tertawa, walau dunia tak seindah surga. Bersyukurlah pada yang kuasa, cinta kita di dunia selamanya. Pada hidup memberikan senyuman abadi, walau hidup kadang tak adil, tapi
Cooling.
Yes, you did it.
Yeah.
Yes. How does it feel?
It was amazing. And cooling.
Everyone's so excited.
Come on.
Come, Bella. Okay, got signal to go live.
Eden, how's your hot Milo? Ooh, special. Eden seorang je dapat. Kita carbo loading, persediaan untuk esok.
Guys eating there?
Belakang.
Yeah, bloody jam.
Okay.